Prime Minister Narendra Modi and United States President Joe Biden shared a warm hug and shared some light moments before the beginning of the first session of the G20 summit in Bali, Indonesia. US President Joe Biden walked over to PM Modi before the start of the session, and both the leaders greeted each other and shared a warm hug. There is a friendship between President Biden and PM Modi, and it became apparent in the way the two leaders met each other, commented US State Department spokesperson Zek Tarar. A video tweeted by news agency ANI showed PM Modi interacting with Biden and sharing a moment of laughter. The Prime Minister was also seen greeting French President Emmanuel Macron. Prior to his departure on Monday, PM Modi's office stated his vision for the scheduled G20. The PMO said, "During my interactions at the G20 summit, I will highlight India's achievements and our unwavering commitment to collectively address global challenges. India's G20 presidency will be grounded in the theme Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, or One Earth, One Family, One Future, which underlines the message of equitable growth and shared future for all." The two-day G20 summit kicked off in Bali on Tuesday morning with Indonesia President Joko Widodo's address. In his opening address, the Indonesian leader referred to the ongoing Ukraine war, which is in its 9th month. "Being responsible means we must end the war," he said. "If the war is not ended," he said, "it will be difficult to move forward. The world must not slip into another Cold War," he was further quoted as saying. As the summit began, PM Modi highlighted India's vision on food chain supply, fertilizers, energy security, and clean energy, among other issues. The Prime Minister said that India's energy security holds importance as world's fastest growing economy and added that there shouldn't be any restrictions. During the summit, PM Modi will also take over the G20 presidency from Indonesia. The logo, theme, and website of the India G20 presidency was unveiled last week by him during a virtual briefing.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.